come over here, let's go.
I'm back. Here we go, guys. So today we're going to be doing systems of equations, but with word problems. So this is very similar to what we're doing, except there's a few extra steps that you need to do.
Yeah, it's called reading.
So let's start reading it. Matt and Ming are selling fruit for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy a small box of oranges and a large box of oranges. Matt sold 3 small boxes of oranges. I'm going to underline that because that's important. 3 small boxes.
Different color.
Oranges.
Oh, it's brown. Okay.
It is brown. It is a different color.
Doesn't look like it.
And 14 large boxes of oranges for a total of 203. So that is one person. After that, it said Ming sold 11 small boxes of oranges and 11 large boxes of oranges for 220. Find the cost of 1 small box of oranges and 1 large box of oranges. So let's look at Matt first and let's set up an equation. So we have 3S for small boxes plus 14L for large equals 203. And then for Ming, we have 11 small plus 11 large is equal to 220. However, since this problem did not tell us what variables to use, we must write a let statement. So off to the side, we have let. Please do not just say let S be small oranges and let L be large oranges. You need to tell us what about them. So in this problem, they're telling us find the cost. So S is going to be the cost of a small box of oranges, and let L be the cost of a large box of oranges. And now this problem pretty much just becomes an elimination problem. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do our crisscross method. I'm going to take the 11, bring it up, take the 3, bring it down, and change the sign of one of them. It does not matter which one you change. So I'm going to change the bottom one to a -3.
His face is so serious.
Oh gosh.
My God.
I am then going to distribute. And same thing with the bottom one, distribute. So now we have 33S plus, guys, please use your calculator so you do not make a mistake.
Your calculator apps.
154L is equal to 203 times 11, 2233. Now for our bottom one, we have negative 33S minus 33L is equal to 220 times -3, -660. As we said in an earlier video, guys, these must be the same number, but opposite signs, so they can eliminate. So this is going to eliminate because we are adding going downwards. If I add this, we will get 121L. And then if we add these going down, we are going to get 1573. And now the last step is to divide out that 121. And we will end up getting L is equal to 13. But we are not done. We must then find our S. In order to do this, you're going to choose either of your original equations. Does not matter which one. I'm going to choose the first one. So I'm going to rewrite the first one, 3S plus 14L is equal to 203. And since I know what L is now, I'm going to plug in for L. Once you plug in, you are going to simplify. So if we simplify this, we're going to get 3S plus 182 is equal to 203. We then subtract the 182 from both sides. Get 3S is equal to 21. And lastly, divide by 3 on both sides. You're going to get it S equals 7. However, we are still not done. This is a word problem, so that means we must write a sentence or use some type of units. So off to the side over here, we're going to be using our let statement. So I'm going to write a full sentence. The costs
So much work.
of a small box is $7. The costs of a large box is $13. By doing all this work, you would receive full credit on the Regents. The Dewey Twins are now out.
Yes.